Who wants to succeed? All of us. I want to succeed. So Allah tells you, come to success. What is it? The 5 daily prayers. That's what He talks about. Let's learn to develop our hearts to the degree that we love the prayer. We enjoy it. We do it for Allah. We take our time. We learn the words. We understand what we're saying. We come up, and when we complete the salah, we sit for a moment remembering Allah. Allahumma anta salam wa minka salam. Oh Allah, you are, and this is the name of Allah, is As-Salam. The source of all peace is Allah. The source of all peace is Allah. And all peace only comes from Allah. That's what we are declaring. Allahumma anta salamu wa minka salamu. Subhanallah. When do we say this? After we have just said Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah in our prayer. We've just ended the prayer. First thing we say, oh Allah, I just said Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah, but you know, oh Allah, you are the source of all peace, and all peace comes from you. Subhanallah. The peace of my mind, the peace of my heart, the tranquility in my home, the peace around me, the security, whatever else it may be, from Allah. How many times do you say that a day? Every time I end my farad prayer, that's a sunnah dua. It's a sunnah dhikr actually. May Allah Almighty grant us ease.